Biopiracy. What do you mean by biopiracy? Piracy means robbing, and bio means biological, related to biological products or biological resources. So, biopiracy is nothing but the use of bioresources by multinational companies or other organizations without proper authorization from countries and the people concerned, and without compensatory payment, without the consent of the country or people who is invented, or without the compensatory payment. What are the things? Use of bioresources. Use of bioresources by multinational companies and other organizations without proper authorization from countries and the people concerned. Who is concerned of that with that product, and without compensatory payment is called the biopiracy. It can be meant simply. It can be meant for the unauthorized publication or production of any others material. What is that? Unauthorized publication. Suppose one method is developed to grow a crop, as we discussed, the BT crop or the nematode resistant plant or worm resistant, pest resistant plant. Method is developed. So if that publication is done, or the unauthorized publication or reproduction of any other's material, the material of anyone else who developed that. The causes of biopiracy. Okay, before going to that, just have an idea. With innovative ideas, the scientists, the knowledgeous people, they develop some method, they invent. So, without the knowledge of inventor, if it is published or produced or reproduced by any other person without the knowledge of inventor, without compensatory payment, then it is called biopiracy. So, what are the causes? What would be the causes? The majority of developed countries they are technically as well as financially rich, but poor in biological resources. They are poor in biodiversity. They are lack of the diverse flora and fauna. They have the technology. They have the money. The money power, the technology power is there, but resource is not there. So, but in comparison, the developing countries and underdeveloped countries, they are rich in biodiversity. Okay? Those who are doing industrialization, they are exploiting, they are destroying the biodiversity. To establish an industry, to establish the different industry center, one is to destroy the established, the old diversity. So we are poor in the developed countries, poor in biodiversity, even though they are rich in technology and money, financially and technologically. Even though they are rich, they are poor in biodiversity. And whereas the developing countries and underdeveloped countries rich in biodiversity. Another cause is bioprospecting through survey of source materials to expert knowledge and applications in biotechnology. Just to make it clear, just get there. Bioprospecting means the systematic and organized search of the products. What is the systematic and organized search of the products of the biological resources like the plants, animals and microorganisms, so that afterward, with that knowledge that can be produced by applying the biotechnology, search of the products of biological resources, bioresources like plants, animals and microorganisms, which can be produced commercially. Okay, it is for mankind, but which can be used, which products can be developed by using the biotechnology. With the application of biotechnology, the products can be obtained or manufactured in a commercial scale, in a large scale, commercial production of these required products with the application of biotechnology. So this is the bioprospecting. There are three aspects of biopiracy. What are the three aspects? The three aspects: intellectual biopiracy, the resource piracy. Okay, intellectual piracy, robbery. Intellectual piracy, resource piracy and economic piracy. What do you mean by the intellectual piracy? False claim for novelty and inventions. Novelty is the quality being new. Novelty when the quality being new, original and unusual. Original and unusual. If a product is made and one is demanding for, one is claiming for that it is a new product, original product and unusual, not commonly available, not commonly known. And inventions. For example, we will discuss what the piracy of haldi or the piracy of the turmeric powder, use of the turmeric powder. As we know, since ancient time in India, the turmeric powder is used as wound healing substance, whereas some other companies, corporations claimed and taken the patent for the use of the turmeric. This is intellectual piracy. Resource piracy, monopoly control of corporations for scarce biological resources, which are not plenty. They are present, the biological resources which are restricted, limited. On that, taking the monopoly control, like neem tree. Our neem tree the patent for neem tree was taken by the companies of other country. Economic piracy. Economic piracy, it creates the market, creates market monopoly, excludes the original innovators from their actual share. Somebody has developed one product or methodology and it can be marketed. Some product is produced, developed by some person or some company of one country, whereas the marketing right is taken by some other country, by some other organization of some other country. without giving the actual share to the original innovator, okay, to the original owner we can say. So we will discuss some cases, the cases of biopiracy through patenting by other countries involved, that they other countries have taken the patent right, means right on that those products or resources or that processes by other countries involved. Neem tree, turmeric, basmati rice, periwinkle. These are some piracy cases are there. We will discuss the neem piracy, the turmeric piracy and the basmati rice piracy. Okay. Biopiracy of neem, the Indian neem, the Azadirachta indica, family Malaceae is the Indian neem. The seed oil, the patent on neem seed oil of Indian neem was taken by the US Department of Agriculture and W.R. Grace of Columbia in the year 1992 with the patent number 436357. In May 2000, the European Patent Office (EPO) revoked the patent of USDA and the W.R. Grace. Revoked, cancelled the patent after a long legal battle. After a long legal battle, the EPO revoked the patent of USDA and W.R. Grace. Biopiracy of haldi, turmeric, Curcuma domestica, family Zingiberaceae. The turmeric powder in India was used. It has been used as the wound healing agent since the ancient time. But the patent was taken by the University of Mississippi Medical Center, USA in the year 1995, in March 1995, with the claim that due to the objection of CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, in August 13, 1997, the patent was revoked. Patent was cancelled. So, these are the biopiracy cases of the neem and turmeric. Let us discuss the biopiracy of basmati rice. Biopiracy of basmati rice. India has about 2 lakh variety of rice, and basmati is a unique rice with aroma, is a kind of rice with unique aroma and flavor. There are about 27 documented varieties of basmati rice are grown in India. 27 documented varieties of basmati rice are grown in India. In 1997, an American company taken the patent, got the patent rights on basmati rice through US Patent and Trademark Office. American company got the patent on basmati rice, on one basmati rice through US Patent and Trademark Office. Company has got the right to sell a new variety of rice in the US as well as in other countries. But the fact is that this new variety is developed by processing the one basmati rice, Indian basmati rice, and a dwarf variety of the rice. So, actually the crossing of the Indian Basmati variety and a semi-dwarf variety. Okay, so we discussed the biopiracy of neem, biopiracy of turmeric or haldi, and biopiracy of basmati rice. Each one is important for 2.5 output. This biopiracy of basmati rice, or it may be the biopiracy of Indian products, or simply write a short note on biopiracy. Then you have to give all the three. Okay, you have to write down the definition, biopiracy, what is biopiracy, then different type of the different aspects of biopiracy, and 3 examples, in which year the patent was taken by whom and which year it is revoked. The patent is revoked. Okay.